McGinty. I just hope Triggs can get her to join in. Come on, Triggs.
We're fetching toys and making noise and chasing balls around. There's water balls and digging holes to bury the bones in the ground. We can sniff, we can scratch, and if we need a wee, we don't need to beg, we can lift our leg and go behind the tree.
Does that mean you're ready to go and play, little doggy? She's only gonna join the other dogs. She wants to play.
Woohoo! You did it, Triggs. We're home.
Hiya, I'm just in the kitchen.
Woof, woof. Oh, Maddie, Mr. S, you're back. It felt like a week, or maybe even a month.
Ah, Triggs, and now your tail has knocked the keys off the table.
Oh, I really can't help it. My tail has a life of its own. Woof, woof. What's in the bag, Maddie?
It's a brand new...
New what? What?
Too late. The present just rolled out of the bag.
Oh, it's a new ball. Oh, Maddie, I love it. Oh, I'm so happy right now.
Oh, sorry to bother you there, folks. Triggs, I was wondering if you'd do me a small favour. We're missing one contestant for the obstacle race.
Ooh, great. You love jumping through hoops and crawling under tunnels, Triggs.
3, 2, 1, go!
Go, Triggs!
Out of my way, trotting Triggs.
And it's Dash and Donkey coming up at the inside of Gary the chicken and Felicity sheep. Trotting Triggs is bringing up the rear.
Why is everyone so serious? Oh, I fell on my nose.
Poor Triggs.
I need to see if he's all right. Triggs! Triggs, what's wrong?
Oh, Maddie, I like a race as much as the next dog, but this is all about winning, not having fun.
Can't you make it fun, Triggs?
Well,